Everybody, how are you all? So we have completed 3 of the chapters from the chemistry, and today we are going to do the 4th chapter, the chemical reaction and equation. We are going to discuss the previous year questions has been asked from this chapter and the most important questions which can be asked in this upcoming exam if in this class. Okay, so are you guys ready? Chemical reactions and equations. So basically we are going to see what are the type of the reactions, what are the different kind of reactions, and how we are going to identify what is oxidizing agent, what is reducing agent. Good evening Sumukh, how are you? Chalo, so let's start the session. What is the first question here? Okay, so this is the first question which is being asked in 2020. This is the previous year question which is asked in 2020. So just read a question and let me know what you have understood. Okay, some 10 seconds, initial 10 seconds should be there to read the question and understand what they are asking in the question. Okay, fine. So how many of you will be able to tell me the answer for this? Strong heating of ferrous sulfate leads to the formation of a brown solid and two gases. Strong heating of a ferrous sulfate. What is the formula for ferrous sulfate? Can you guys tell me in the chat box? What is the formula for ferrous sulfate? I want the formula of ferrous sulfate in the chat box. It is FeSO4. Correct? Ferrous sulfate leads to the formation of a brown solid and two gases. A brown solid and two gases, this reaction can be categorized into what? Yes. What is? Displacement and redox, decomposition and redox, displacement and endothermic, decomposition and exothermic. So Mukth has given the answer A. According to you, it should be a displacement reaction. You have to think one more time. So what you have to do, write down the reaction. Ferrous sulfate. When you will heat ferrous sulfate, you are going to get what? Okay, let's have a reaction here. When you will heat ferrous sulfate, you will get Fe2O3, you will get SO2 and you will get O2 gas, right? From where it is a displacement reaction. Can you tell me what is the meaning of displacement reaction? Displacement. So can you tell me, see here, can you look at this reaction here? It is a which kind of reaction? Can you tell me guys, it is which kind of reaction here? It is not a displacement reaction. What is happening here? One compound is getting decomposed. So what is the answer for this? The answer here is, what is the answer for this question? Decomposition and a redox reaction. It is not a displacement reaction. Displacement means what? What is the meaning of a displacement reaction? When you take AB and you take CD, right? So A got replaced by C, AD, and in B, B got replaced by D. So it is like that, AD and BC. This kind of reaction is a displacement reaction. But the reaction which we have done here, iron sulfate, ferrous sulfate, it is getting decomposes, giving you iron oxide. Yes, brown color solid, SO2 gas and O2 gas. This is a decomposition reaction. Displacement out. Displacement out, the correct answer here is decomposition. Okay, fine. Did you guys understand this question? Can I move forward to the next question? And why it is not a exothermic reaction, because in this reaction there is no heat released. You provide FeSO4, you have to provide the heat, only then it will decompose into Fe2O3 and SO2 and O2, right? So in this reaction heat is getting absorbed, heat is getting absorbed, right? Yes, so it means it should be a endothermic reaction. Did you guys understand this question, how it is a decomposition and redox reaction? It is not a displacement reaction, it is not a exothermic reaction, it is an endothermic reaction, because to break something the heat is required. Understood? Yes? Okay, fine, very good. So now move to the next question. Can you read this question once and can you tell me what is the answer for this? Which of the following statement about the reaction below are incorrect? You have to tell the incorrect statement. Very good, Ashwini. So just read these options and tell me which statement here is incorrect. Okay, fine. So see here. If I add oxygen in this compound, what I write? That A got oxidized. Correct? Yes. Addition of oxygen is oxidation. It means that A got oxidized. Yes. Is this clear? Now, if I will remove oxygen from this, I have removed oxygen from AO2. It means that AO2 got reduced. Yes, you know what is oxidation, correct? Yes, do you know what is oxidation, what is reduction? Addition of oxygen is oxidation, removal of oxygen is reduction, correct? Okay, so now tell me which statement is incorrect. Think and tell me which statement here is incorrect. Yes, infinite is 1, Sumukh, Ashwini, you all people are giving the answer 1. A statement, according to you, first and second statement seems wrong. Yes, acha, see here. Lead, PbO2 is converting into Pb. Can you tell me what is happening with PbO? PbO is converting into Pb. So what can I say about this? PbO is converting into Pb. You are removing the oxygen. So can I say that PbO is getting reduced? Can I say this? Can I say this, guys? PbO is getting reduced because you have removed oxygen. So statement number 1, 4 is correct. Carbon is getting oxidized. Carbon is getting oxidized. Carbon is converting into CO2. So it means that you are adding oxygen in carbon. Correct? So it is correct. Carbon is getting oxidized. Yes? Fine. So statement number 3 and 4 is correct. Carbon dioxide is getting oxidized. Wrong. Carbon is getting oxidized. Lead is getting reduced. No. Lead oxide is getting reduced. Tell me, did you guys understand this question? Do give me a thumbs up, guys. Have you understood what is oxidation, what is reduction? Do I have to repeat this? Do I have to repeat this? Just have a look here. PbO is converting into lead. Can you tell me what we are doing here? My dear students, can you tell me what we are doing here? Why you guys are silent? Tell me the answer. Can you tell me what we are doing here? We are removing the oxygen, correct? We are removing the oxygen. PbO2, Pb. Removing the oxygen. Removal of oxygen is called what? What is removal of oxygen? Do let me know quickly, guys, whoever has a doubt. What is the meaning of removal of oxygen in the chat box? Ashwini, Sumukh, do let me know in the chat box what is the meaning of removal of oxygen. Yes, this is called reduction. Yes. So can I say that PbO got reduced? Can I say that lead oxide got reduced? Yes. Can I say this? Yes. Yes. Very good. So Mukh, reduction. Absolutely correct. So PbO got reduced. Now carbon adding oxygen is converting into CO2. Carbon is converting into CO2. Addition of oxygen is called what? Can you guys tell me addition of oxygen is called what? Very good, Ashwini. Can you tell me what is the meaning of addition of oxygen? Quickly guys, do let me know in the chat box what is the meaning of addition of oxygen. It means that, correct, it means oxidation, correct. So can I say that carbon got oxidized? Yes. So it means that this two statement, carbon getting oxidized, lead oxide got reduced. This is correct. Yes. Clear guys? Now it is clear. So statement number 3 and 4 is correct. Okay. 3 and 4 is correct. So option number B is out. Option number C is out. Because statement number 3 and 4, they are the correct statement. And you have to choose incorrect statement. Incorrect will be automatically option number A will be the correct option. Have you understood guys? Do let me know in the chat box, have you understood this question clearly? Oxidation reduction. Statement number 3, statement number 4, it is the correct statement. Okay. So here it has 3, here it has 3, in this all. So what option is left? Correct option 1 and 2. Statement number 1 and 2 is the wrong statement. Have you guys understood this question? Can I move forward to the next question? Yes? Okay. Tell me, Ashwini, Infinite, Somukh, where are the girls today? Tell me guys, can I move forward to the next question? Yes? Okay. Very good, Somukh. Chalo. So here is the next question. Can you see here and can you tell me, in this reaction, what is the oxidizing agent? Okay. So now, see. The compound which gets oxidized, it is called reducing agent. Reverse. Just reverse. If you have confusion in this, just write down in the notebook. Very good, Ashwini. Very good, Gautami. Very good. So girls are here. Yes? Okay. So now guys, write down this for the clarity. The compound which get oxidized, self-oxidized. Very good, Sonu. How are you? So the compound which get oxidized, that is called reducing agent. Correct? The compound which get reduced. The compound which gets reduced. Can you tell me what will be this will be called? The compound which get oxidized is called reducing agent. The compound which itself get reduced is called what? Can you tell me here? The compound which get reduced. For example, if I, very good Gautami, very good Sonu, very good Infinite in 1. Infinite in 1, what's your name? Do let me know what's your name. Infinite is 1. Okay, fine. Very good Harsha. See now here girls are also there. Harsha is a boy or a girl? Very good Gautami. Okay, fine. So the compound which get reduced, those are called oxidizing agent. Now just you have to find out. They are asking you oxidizing agent. It means that who got reduced. Correct? Oxidizing agent means which get self-reduced. Oxidizing agent means which get self-reduced. Which get self-reduced. Okay. Oxidizing agent means which get self-reduced. Who is getting reduced here? MnO2 is converting into Mn. MnO2 is converting into Mn. Removal of oxygen. My dear students, do let me know in the chat box. Removal. Harsha is a boy. Okay. Removal of oxygen is called what? Removal of oxygen is called what? Infinite in 1 is a girl. Very nice. Viksha, very good. Yes. Tell me guys, MnO2 to Mn. We are removing the oxygen. Chapter number 4 के questions करवाओ. Sonu, I have already discussed the questions of chapter number 4. You have to watch the previous videos. Okay? Fine. Once this chapter will be over, I will again take those chapters. Tell me guys, MnO2 to Mn. Removal of oxygen. Very good, Gautami. Superb. So, removal of oxygen, it means that MnO2 got reduced. If MnO2 got reduced, it means it is a oxidizing agent. Any doubt in this? Any doubt in this? If I will get self-reduced, correct? Very good, Harsha. If I will get reduced, I will be oxidizing agent. Yes? If Sonu will get oxidized, then Sonu is what? Do let me know in the chat box. If Sonu is getting oxidized, then Sonu is what? If Harsha is getting reduced, then Harsha is what? If Sonu is getting oxidized, Sonu is a reducing agent. Yes, very good. If Harsha is getting reduced, Harsha is the oxidizing agent. Same way here, MnO2 got reduced. So, MnO2 is a what? Oxidizing agent. Correct? So, the correct answer here is MnO2. Okay. In this question, tell me, did you guys understand this? Do I have to explain one more time? It is very clear. Self-reduced means they are oxidizing agent. Self-oxidized, it means they are reducing agent. Is that clear? Do give me a thumbs up in the chat box if you have understood this. Okay? If you have understood, tell me in this reaction what is reducing agent. What is reducing agent? Tell me here what is reducing agent. Quickly guys. Sumukh has understood. I am not getting thumbs up. It means that you guys are not understanding. Yes. Don't keep the doubt in your mind. If you have the doubt, just ask me. Tell me here. Yes, Harsha also understood. Tell me here what will be the oxidizing agent here. Who is oxidizing agent? Very good. So, Mukh is telling aluminium. What is happening with the aluminium, guys? Aluminium is converting from aluminium to Al2O3. It means that addition of oxygen. Addition of oxygen means what? Addition of oxygen means oxidation. So, can I say that aluminium is getting oxidized here? Aluminium is getting oxidized. It means aluminium is what? Understood? Yes. Very good, Harsha, Somokh, Gautami. If aluminium is getting oxidized, it means aluminium is what? It means that aluminium is a reducing agent. Here aluminium is reducing agent. Here MnO2 is a oxidizing agent. MnO2 got reduced. Is that clear? Aluminium got oxidized. Understood, guys? Have you guys understood this? Do give me a thumbs up if you have understood this clearly. If not, I will explain you one more time. There is no worry. Okay? So, do give me a thumbs up if you have understood this question. Can we move forward to the next question? Gautami, Somokh, Harsha, Viksha, Sonu. Yes? Tell me. Can I move forward to the next question? Yes? Okay. So, here is the next question. Now, read this question. When hydrogen sulfide, what is the formula? Very good, Somokh. Very good, Bliss. What is the name for Bliss? Sonu has also understood. Chalo. Now, tell me, what is the formula for hydrogen sulfide? When hydrogen sulfide, what is the formula for hydrogen sulfide? Everybody in the chat box. What is the formula for hydrogen sulfide? It is H2S. When hydrogen sulfide gas is passed through a blue solution of copper sulfate. What is the formula for copper sulfate? Everybody in the chat box, what is the formula for copper sulfate? It is CuSO4 and it is blue in color. Okay, a black precipitate. When hydrogen sulfide is passed through a blue solution of copper sulfate, a black precipitate of copper sulfide is obtained and the sulfuric acid is also formed. What is the reaction? Can you write down this reaction? Viksha, Gautami, Sonu and Harsha, they all have given the answer. Very good, Somukh. H2S, very good. Gautami's copper sulfate means CuSO4. Very good, Sonu's H2S, absolutely correct. So here I am writing the reaction. H2S plus copper sulfate and it is converting into copper sulfide and H2SO4. So what is happening in this reaction? Can you tell me what is happening in this reaction? H forming with sulfate, right? Okay. H2 is replacing copper forming H2SO4. Correct, guys? And sulfate is combining with copper. Sulfate is replacing, sulfur is replacing the sulfate. Are you guys getting my point? Yes? Namaskaram, ma'am. Namaskaram, bookhead. What is your name? Hello, Vaishnavi. Today you are late. Yes, very good, Sonu. It is a double reaction, double displacement. Absolutely correct. Okay. Here, very good. Very good, Somukh. Absolutely correct. Copper sulfate with H2S. Yes. Hydrogen replaced copper. Sulfur replaced, sorry, hydrogen replaced copper, sulfur replaced here sulfate. Is that clear? It is a double displacement reaction. Both of them. See, I will tell you what is double displacement. What is here double displacement? See here, A with B, correct? And you have taken C plus D. So, final product will be what? A will combine, A will replace D. It will form AC. B is going to replace C. It will form BD. Both double displacement. Clear? Yes, very good. There is exchange of ions. Absolutely correct. My name is Skanda. Yes, Skanda, absolutely correct. Is this question clear, guys? It was easy. We don't have to spend much time. Both of the reagent got displaced. So, it is a double displacement. Yes, do give me a thumbs up if you have understood. It is a double displacement reaction. Hydrogen sulfide, it is reacting with copper sulfate. Hydrogen is replacing copper forming H2SO4 and sulfate is replacing, sulfur is replacing sulfate forming cuprous sulfide. It is a double displacement reaction. Understood, guys? Do give me a thumbs up if you have understood this question clearly. It is a double displacement reaction. Very good, Harsha. Okay. So, here we are moving forward to the next question. Can you have a look here? Iron reacting with water. Water is gas here. Can you tell me what is the state of iron here? My dear students, can you tell me what is the state of iron here? Sonu understood, bookhead understood. Bookhead means Skanda. Yes. Where is Vaishnavi? Where is Gautami? Yes. Okay. Aa gaya? Very good. Now tell me here. Iron plus water. What is the state of iron here? Iron is in the solid state. Correct? Acha. Water is in the gaseous form. In which case water is gaseous? Ice, liquid water or steam? Very good, Gautami. Very good, Mayur. Very good, Harsha. Very good. Very good, Skanda. Very good, Sumukh. Absolutely correct. In which case water is gas? In the ice form, in the drinking water or in the case of steam? In the vapors, when it will be gas? It is giving you iron oxide. Again, it is solid and it is gas. Which of the following statement is correct about the reaction? Can you tell me which of the following statement is correct? Very good, Gautami. Very good, Skanda. Very good, Mayur. Absolutely correct. Very good, Somukh. the product Fe3O4 is present in the solution. It is not present in the solution, it is a precipitate. Yes, very good Vaishnavi. The reaction is unbalanced. It is a neutralization reaction. Is it a neutralization reaction, guys? It is a combination reaction. Very good, Sonu. It is a combination reaction, right? Yes, because iron is combining with water. Neutralization means what? Acid plus base gives salt plus water. Correct? This is called a neutralization reaction. In this reaction, water is used in the form of steam. This is absolutely correct answer. Yes, very good. In this reaction, water is used in the form of steam. Absolutely correct, Skanda. Very good, Sonu. Very good. Yes, there is no salt. Correct. Absolutely correct. D is the correct answer. Clear? This was an easy question. Just you have to find out the state of the reactants. Okay. Can I move forward to the next question? Tell me. Sumukh, Skanda, Sonu, Vaishnavi, Harsha. Yes? Okay, chalo. Here is the next question. Let me give you one previous year question. Can you have a look here? Ma'am, how it is a combination reaction? How it is a combination? What was your name? I forgot. Vriksha. Yes, how it is a combination reaction? It is in the displacement reaction. Who is displacing whom? In this reaction, who is displacing whom? See here, it is not a displacement reaction. Iron and water, right? Iron is water, it is forming iron oxide and H2 gas. It is just a combination reaction. It is not a displacement reaction. Okay, fine. Okay, chalo. We will anyway, we have to find out the correct statement. The correct statement here is the water is a steam. What steam means? The vapors, not in the solid, not in the liquid. Okay. Now let's move to this question. Chalo. Have a look. Have a look. Read this question and tell me. Vaishnavi, Sumukh, Mayur, Skanda, Vriksha, Sonu. Tell me. What is Gautami? Vaishnavi. Read this question. What is observed after about 1 hour of adding the strips of copper? You are adding copper and aluminium separately to the ferrous sulfate. Ferrous sulfate means iron SO4. Ferrous sulfate means FeSO4 solution filled in 2 beakers. Correct? Can you tell me? Copper strips dipped into ferrous sulfate and aluminium strips dipped into the ferrous sulfate. Can you tell me what will happen in reaction A and B? Copper, no reaction. Very good, Skanda. Very good. No, not Skanda, sorry. Infinities one is Vriksha, right? Yes? Okay. Tell me what will happen in the first reaction. Copper is less reactive than iron. Are you guys getting my point? Copper is less reactive than iron. Copper is less reactive than iron and aluminium is more reactive than iron. Use this statement and tell me the answer. Okay. Copper is less reactive than iron. Sumukh, copper no reaction. Very good. Copper no reaction. Since copper is less reactive, absolutely correct. Aluminium sulfate, very, very good. Very, very good. There will be a reaction. Very good, Mayur. In the first case, no reaction. Why? Why, guys? In the first case, there is no reaction because copper is less reactive than iron. Copper will not be able to displace iron from iron sulfate. Clear? Yes. Second is aluminium with ferrous sulfate. Aluminium is more reactive. Aluminium will. What is the charge over aluminium? Aluminium is 3 plus. Sulfate is this. How do we write the formula? How do we write the formula? We write the formula through crisscross. Yes. Very good, Skanda. Very good, Sumukh. Very nice. So how? 3 will come here and 2 will come here. What is going to be the formula? Aluminium 2 and sulfate thrice. Do you guys have any doubt in writing the formula? Aluminium 3 plus sulfate 2 minus, and charge get crisscrossed. You get the formula Al2SO4 thrice plus iron metal will come out. This is a which kind of reaction? This is a name the reaction if any change in color. Ferrous sulfate is of which color? My dear students, ferrous sulfate is of which color? No matter whatever is the color, here no color change because there is no reaction, right? No color change. Here the color will get changed. Yes, very good Vaishnavi. No, A, very good, very nice. A, no reaction. B, aluminium sulfate will form and iron will form. Absolutely correct. Okay, so it is a which kind of reaction? Write the chemical reaction. This is the chemical reaction. It is a displacement reaction. Yes, very good Mayur. Very nice. Iron sulfate is green in color. Yes. Where is that guy who has asked me how it is a ma'am, any tip to memorize the charge on the ions easily? There is no tip. The thing is, the important ions you have to remember. Ferrous means 2 plus. See, I will tell you this. Ic means highest oxidation number. Highest oxidation number. Us means lower oxidation number. It means that Fe2 plus, it will be called ferrous. Fe3 plus, it will be called ferric. Are you guys getting my point? Us means lesser, ic means more, high. Cuprous will be copper 2 plus, sorry, copper plus 1, cuprous, okay, copper 2 plus, cupric. And you don't have to worry, there are some ions which you can count on the fingertips. For example, aluminium 3 plus, sulfate will have 2 minus, nitrate will have minus, correct? How to learn the color of substance? No need to learn the color of substance. There are not many of the substances. Yes, I am telling you, there are not many of the substances in this question. They are not asking you what is the color. They are simply asking you what will happen with the color. So no matter whatever is the color, in the first case there will be no change in the color. Second case color will change. Correct? Understood? Of course, iron sulfate is converting into aluminium sulfate. The color will change. If you will write this, you are going to get the answer. You are not supposed to remember the color of the compound. Is that clear, guys? Okay? So is this question clear? नहीं, question पे color नहीं आएंगे. If it will come, there will be some few of the compounds. कुछ compounds होंगे जहाँ पे color पे question आएगा, and that you can remember. For example, iron sulfate. For example, here ferrous sulfate, right? No change will appear when we add the strips of aluminium to ferrous. There is a aluminium. So see, you don't have to worry about the color. If you are worried this much, you can there are few of the complexes for whom you can remember the name, the color. Otherwise, you don't have to worry much about the color. Okay, fine. So is that question clear, guys? Can I move forward to the next question? Yes. Can I move forward? For example, copper sulfate. What is the color of the copper sulfate? This, I am telling you, they are not going to ask you. They will ask that whether the color will change or not, what will happen, this one. But particularly, they are not going to ask what is the color of this complex. Is that clear? Is that question clear, guys? Tell me, can I move forward to the next question? Do give me a thumbs up if you have understood. Okay, fine, ma'am. Thanks. Welcome, Sonu. Where are the girls? Skanda, Harsha. Yes. Where are the girls? Gautami. Yes. Chalo. So this question is clear. Copper sulfate is blue in color. and whatever will come, it will come from your textbook. You don't have to go outside of the textbook. Whatever will be asked, that will come from the textbook only. So textbook में whatever complexes are given, you just have to remember those. Okay, fine. I am telling you some ions. Aluminium +3, NO3 minus, sulfate 2 minus. Correct? What else is there? Aluminium, nitrate, sulfate. What else? What else? Tell me. There are some common ions for whom you have to remember the charges. Is that clear? Yes. And it is not a big deal. There are some few examples, few ions which you will remember anyways. Okay? Fine. Harsha is a boy. Yes. Okay. Now let's move to the next question. Let's have a look here. This question has come in CBSE 2020. Can you read this question and can you tell me? This question is being asked in CBSE 2020. Chalo. Phosphate. What will be the formula for phosphate? What is going to be the formula for phosphate? Phosphate is PO4 3 minus. PO4 3 minus phosphate. I want every one of you to read this question. I want every one of you, every girl, boy, Harsha, Sumukt, Gautami, Sonu, where are others? Skanda. Yes. Tell me. A shining metal M on burning gives a dazzling white flame. Can you tell me? Infinite is 1. That is correct. You have given the correct answer. Sumukt, very good. What is that shining metal? What is that metal? Very good, Harsha. Very good, Crimson. Very, very nice. So we have a metal which is shining, and when we burn means what? What is the meaning of burning? It means that we are adding oxygen. Correct? Yes. Very good, Vaishnavi. So metal M, we are adding oxygen and it is giving you metal oxide. Correct? So metal M is M and oxide here is white powder. White powder is the oxide here is white powder. That is N. So what is this compound? This is the metal magnesium. Magnesium is shining in nature. Correct? So magnesium combines with oxygen. It means burning. It will give you MgO, which is a solid powder and dazzling white flame. It is a dazzling, it sparkles, right? So it is a dazzling white color powder, MgO. Correct? So this is the reaction here. Is that clear? Represent, identify M. So M is magnesium, N is magnesium oxide. Represent the reaction in form of a balanced chemical reaction. Balanced means what? Mg plus O2, MgO. Is the reaction balanced? Is this reaction balanced, guys? Is this reaction balanced? Ma'am, and M undergoes oxidation. We can get to know because there is a layer of formation of called magnesium oxide. Absolutely correct. Crimson. Whenever we add oxygen in any compound, addition of oxygen is oxidation itself. Very good, Sonu. Very good, Harsha. Very good, guys. So here, is this reaction balanced? Can you tell me, is this reaction balanced? One magnesium, but 2 oxygen. So what we will do? 2 magnesium and 2 MgO. This is a balanced reaction now. Addition of oxygen is oxidation. Magnesium got oxidized. Magnesium got oxidized here. Is that correct? Is that correct? Yes. Does M undergo oxidation or reduction? Is that question clear to all of you? Can you, is this, whatever I am writing, is that visible to you guys? Yes. Addition of oxygen. Yes, very good, Sonu. Very good, Somukt. Oxidation forms of layer which is magnesium oxide. Absolutely correct. and you can also write that magnesium is taking the oxygen. Addition of oxygen is oxidation reaction, hence it getting oxidized. Magnesium is getting oxidized. Okay, fine. Chalo. Now can we move forward to the next question? Is that question clear to everybody? Vaishnavi, Sonu, Samukht, Skanda, Harsha, yes? Okay, fine. Crimson. Okay, so now let's move to the next question. Read this. CBSE 2019 question. Is that question visible to all of you? Can you see this question clearly? Tell me. Where are the girls? Where are the boys? Harsha, Sonu, Sumukht. Yes. Infinite is 1. Crimson, Skanda, Vaishnavi, Gautami. Yes. Okay. So read this question and tell me what this question wants from you. CBSE 2019. Correct? How we can stop this? Yeah. Okay, so now read this question. A small amount of quick lime. This is lime, okay? They have written here by mistake lime. Yes, it is quick lime. Can you tell me the chemical formula for quick lime? Yes, Crimson. Can you tell me what is the formula for quick lime? My dear students, what is the chemical formula for quick lime? A small amount of quick lime is added to a water in a beaker. What is quick lime? Calcium oxide. Calcium oxide. Very good. Infinite is 1. Very nice. Infinite is 1. What was the name? Skanda or Vriksha? Calcium oxide. Guys, calcium oxide is quick lime. Yes. And calcium hydroxide is slaked lime. Don't forget this. Calcium, what is the charge over calcium? Calcium is 2 plus. Okay. Oxide is OH minus. Calcium oxide is quick lime. Calcium hydroxide is a slaked lime. So yes, very good Sonu, very good Crimson, very good Vaishnavi. Absolutely correct. So when we put water in quick lime means calcium oxide. We are putting water in this and we are getting calcium hydroxide plus heat. Very, very much heat. Yes, very good. So quick lime is calcium oxide is a quick lime here and we are adding water in this. You are getting slaked lime, right? And plus heat. Name and define the type of reaction that has taken place. It is which kind of reaction? Can you tell me guys, it is which kind of reaction? Okay, balanced reaction, right? The balanced chemical reaction. Till the time they have not mentioned about the balanced, you don't have to worry. If you remember the reactant, if you remember the product, you can write down. Okay, but in this question they have asked about the balanced reaction. So check here, is it the balanced reaction? List 2 main observation of this reaction. This, what is the observation? The main observation seen here is that there is a lot of heat released. Absolutely correct, Crimson. Absolutely correct. Yes, heat released, and it when you put water, there is that hissing sound comes. That sound comes from this reaction. Okay, fine. So what is the reaction? Calcium hydroxide or slaked lime is formed by the hissing sound. One observation is there will be hissing sound in this. Okay, and second observation is so much heat is evolved. If so much heat is evolved, this reaction is endothermic or this reaction is exothermic. Can you tell me this is endothermic reaction or it is exothermic? Correct. Chemical reaction, this is the chemical reaction. Fine. Yes. It is a combination reaction. Very good Vaishnavi, very good Crimson, very good Sumuk, very good Sonu, very good Harsha. Good job guys, very nice. Okay, the two observation here is the sound and the heat. It is endothermic reaction or it is a exothermic reaction. Do let me know quickly. It is a very good, infinite is one. Very good, infinite is one. It is a exothermic reaction. Exo means where heat is released. Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct, where heat is released. Yes. Very nice. Now let's move to the next question. Exothermic, you all know, right? The reaction where heat is released. The reaction where heat is released, exothermic, sorry. See, I have written reverse. Exothermic. The reaction where heat is released, that is exothermic. Okay, fine. Okay, guys. So, exothermic means heat released. Exothermic, heat is released. Okay. Endothermic is heat is absorbed. Exo heat symbol, heat released. Endo, heat absorbed. Is that fine? Correct? So is this question clear to all of you? Yes? Yes ma'am, clear. Vaishnavi, Sumuk, infinite is 1. Crimson. So I am changing the next slide and I am moving forward to the next question. Okay? Fine. So here is the next question. Now let's solve this. Chalo. Tell me the answer for this. Complete and balance this. Balance. Again I am telling you, till the time in the question it is not mentioned to balance the reaction. Hello Nedra, you have joined the session late. Chalo, tell me. Till the time it is not mentioned that you have to balance the reaction, you don't have to worry. You can write reactant products, but if it is mentioned balanced, so they will cut the marks if the reaction is not balanced. Okay, fine. Okay, chalo, tell me the answer for this. NaOH plus H2SO4. It is what kind of reaction? Type of reaction, tell me. And tell me what are the products. It is what kind of reaction? NaOH plus H2SO4. Do let me know in the chat box. It is what kind of reaction? Yes, tell me. Na2SO4 plus water. Ma'am, I was watching. Ma'am, I didn't reply. Okay, very good Netra then. If you are there from the beginning, then very nice. I thought you have joined the session now. NaOH plus H2SO4. Acid and base. It is which kind of reaction? It is a neutralization reaction. What is Ki? Sumukt, Ki means potassium iodide. Potassium iodide. Ki means potassium iodide. Acid plus base, it is which reaction? It is a neutralization reaction. Very good Sonu. Very good Sonu. NaOH plus acid, base plus acid, it is a neutralization reaction. The first reaction, tell me, acid plus base, what you get? NaOH plus H2SO4, water out. So what you are left with? Sodium. What is the charge over sodium? My dear students, tell me, what is the charge over sodium? What is the charge over sodium? Sodium here is +1. Sodium, potassium, very good Vaishnavi. Sodium, potassium, they will have +1 charge. Write down these ions so that you will remember the charge. Okay? Yes. Sodium and sulfate. What is the charge over sulfate? What is the charge over sulfate? Sulfate is SO4 2 minus. Sulfate is SO4 2 minus. Now you have to do the crisscross. Do the crisscross and tell me what is the formula. Sulfate is 2 minus. Do the crisscross and tell me the formula. Very good. Infinite is 1. Tell me the formula is going to be Na2SO4. Understood? Here 1, 2 here and 1 here. So it will be Na2SO4 plus water. It is base, it is acid, it is salt, it is water. Now the second reaction, as you guys have told me, all of you, Netra, Sumukt, Vaishnavi, Sonu, Infinite is 1, Gautami, Harsha, as you told me, yes, it is a double displacement reaction. How? Lead will combine with I. Can you tell me, my dear students, can you tell me what is the charge over lead here? Lead 1 and NO3 twice. Break them into ions. Break them into ions. Just you have to do the crisscross. Lead with 2 plus and nitrate with 1 minus. Tell me if you have understood this breaking of ions. Again, you don't have to remember the charge on the ions if the molecule is given. You can break them. Lead 2 plus. How? Crisscross. See here. Lead with 2 plus. Always remember positive charge comes first. Positive you will write first. So lead 2 plus, NO3 1 minus. Correct? So from here you get lead 2 plus and NO3 minus in Ki. If you will break Ki, what you are going to get? If you will break Ki, what you are going to get? Ki, both are 1, 1, right? 1, 1. It will be K plus and it will be 1 minus. Okay? So Ki is K plus and 1 minus. Lead will combine with I. K will combine with nitrate. Can you tell me what is going to form? Lead with combine with I. Can you tell me the formula? Pb2 plus and I minus. Do the crisscross and tell me the formula. Do the crisscross and tell me the formula of the lead and I. So it will be Pbi2. You will get Pbi2. Potassium plus 1, NO3 minus 1. Potassium plus 1, NO3 minus 1. So it will become KNO3. So this is the product. Have a look here and tell me, did you guys understand? Second reaction is a double displacement. First reaction is a neutralization reaction. Did you guys understand this? My dear students, tell me quickly, did you guys understand this? Very good, Crimson. Very good, Netra. Have you guys understood this? Just have a look. So, NaOH plus H2SO4. Here I am writing the ions. Na plus OH minus, H plus and sulfate minus. Here it will form Na2SO4 and water. It is a neutralization reaction, acid plus base. Second case में the second case here PbNO3 twice. PbNO3 twice means lead 2 plus and NO3 minus plus Ki. Ki means K plus and I minus. Okay, so what it is going to do? Understood? Lead will combine with I. It will form Pbi2. Nitrate will combine with K plus. It will form KNO3. Again, you don't have to remember the formula of the complex. Okay? I am telling you with one example here. Have a look. A2B3. If this is given to you, how you will break them into ions? Always remember the first one will be positive charge. A will have 3 plus charge and B will have 2 minus charge. This is the system of crisscross. Understood? Understood? A2B3. A2B3, A3 plus B2 minus. Tell me, have you guys understood this clearly? Everyone, do give me a thumbs up if you have understood. Okay, fine. Yes. Okay, fine. So guys, you have understood this, all the questions. In the next class also, do let me know in the next class which chapter you want. Netra, Vaishnavi, should I continue? I have more questions from this chapter. Should I continue with this chapter questions? Sumukt, or you want another chapter? I want to discuss more questions from this chapter only. Okay, fine. So in the next class also we are going to solve the questions of chemical equations. Chalo. Okay guys. Okay students, I will, yes ma'am, the same chapter, ma'am, please continue. Okay, fine. Yes, I will take carbon and compounds. Okay. Okay, my dear students, in the next class, I will continue with this. We have more classes. Yes, once I will finish all the questions from this chapter, we will move forward to carbon and its compound. Okay guys, if you have liked this session, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Don't forget to join the next session of mine. I will be waiting for you. Okay guys. Okay, bye bye. I will meet you in the next session.